I joined QueRa Computing in 2021 after doing a postdoc on variational quantum algorithms. I joined QueRa Computing primarily because I believe it's sort of the tip of the spear in terms of pushing forwards the field of quantum computing. It's very exciting to be able to work at a hardware company. We're able to both work on advanced algorithms as well as be close to and in touch with hardware. And I think that's not necessarily something you get anywhere else, and it lets you really push the limits of quantum computing as we work together with hardware. The thing that I enjoy most working at QueRa, I think, is the ability to wear many different hats and understand different contexts for how things work. Maybe one time I'm working with hardware talking about error models, and you know, in the next meeting or the next day, maybe I'm talking with customers and thinking about use cases and advanced algorithms. And I think really having this flexibility to explore sort of across the quantum computing stack is very exciting. I think the most interesting thing, and this really is maybe the job satisfaction part of this, is the ability to think about these problems and actually know that as we're working with both customers and internal stakeholders, that we are actually sort of building the next generation of computing. And it's really, we're very pragmatic about what we do, and I think that really lends a lot of scientific rigor to what we do, which I think is very, very enjoyable to do, and it makes the my day-to-day activities very exciting. So the greatest thing about working at QueRa Computing is I believe it gives you a seat at the table that you might not necessarily get at any other company or institution. You're really working with large companies, you know, national labs, universities, on very interesting and exciting projects that aren't necessarily of commercial value, but also of scientific value as well. So you're actually able to, even if you're working here, still have the possibility of publishing papers, going to trade shows and conferences, and really what you're doing is you're able to gain a full context of how we're actually doing practical quantum computing. And I think that sort of broad context then can really lead to a lot of exciting future possibilities, not necessarily just in quantum computing, but also possibly in other related fields such as machine learning, AI, optimization, all of these other, you know, simulation, chemistry, all of these verticals which we need to be able to understand, and it makes it wonderful in terms of career progression.